What if I told you that the key to sending back all the negativity in your life isn't found in some exotic ritual, but right in your kitchen? Yes, you heard that right. Something as ordinary as an onion could hold the secret to protecting yourself from bad energy and returning it to its source. I know it sounds strange. An onion? Really? But stick with me, because what I'm about to share is an ancient, time-tested practice that's so simple, it might just blow your mind. In this video, we're going to unravel the mystery of how cutting an onion can help you break free from negative vibes and restore balance to your life. Now, before you think this is just some superstition, let me explain. Throughout history, different cultures have viewed the onion as more than just a kitchen ingredient. It has been seen as a powerful tool for absorbing and reflecting energies, kind of like a spiritual sponge. And when you think about it, it makes sense. The onion has layers, much like the layers of energy that surround us in our daily lives. The idea behind this ritual is that the onion can absorb negative energies directed at you and reflect them back, much like a mirror. But here's the thing, it doesn't stop there. It also returns positive energy in the same way, amplifying it. The onion, in this sense, helps create a balance, a harmony of energies around you. In Buddhism, balance is key. We believe that everything, every action, every thought, carries energy. Whether that energy is good or bad, it follows the natural law of cause and effect, what we call karma. When someone sends you negative energy, it doesn't just vanish into thin air. It lingers, and it needs to go somewhere. The onion ritual allows that energy to return to where it came from, without malice, without revenge, but simply as a neutral response to what was sent. Karma is one of those concepts that's often misunderstood. Many people think it's about punishment or reward, but it's really about balance. In Buddhism, karma is the law of cause and effect. What you give out, you will eventually receive. If you send out good energy, good will come back to you. If you send out negative energy, well, that's what you're going to get in return. The onion ritual works with this very principle. But here's the twist. This isn't about actively seeking revenge or sending harm to others. It's simply about allowing the energy to follow its natural path. The onion acts as a tool, absorbing and reflecting the energy that surrounds you. If someone has wished you well, their good energy will be returned to them, amplified. If someone has sent you envy, malice, or ill will, that's the energy that will be sent back to them. You don't have to do anything other than let the onion take care of it. Simple, right? You're probably still wondering, why an onion? Well, onions have been used for centuries in various cultures for their ability to purify and protect. The layers of an onion represent the layers of energy we accumulate in our lives, from the interactions we have with others, the thoughts we entertain, and even the environments we inhabit. The onion is believed to absorb these energies and hold them. This makes it the perfect candidate for a ritual aimed at reflecting energies, both positive and negative. Now, let's talk about how to actually perform this ritual. It's a process that requires mindfulness, intention, and, above all, peace. The key to making this work is not in the onion itself, but in your state of mind as you carry out the ritual. Before you even think about cutting the onion, take a moment to center yourself. Sit quietly, breathe deeply, and release any tension you might be holding on to. The power of this ritual lies in your ability to remain calm and neutral. This is not a time for anger or revenge. In fact, those emotions will only disrupt the process. Instead, approach the ritual with the intention of restoring balance. You're not seeking to harm anyone. You're simply allowing the energy to return to its rightful place. Once you've found your calm, choose a fresh onion. The onion should be free from any spots or decay, representing the purity of your intention. The environment you choose to perform this ritual is also important. Find a quiet, undisturbed place where you can focus without distractions. The energy of your surroundings will influence the outcome, so make sure you're in a space that feels peaceful and safe. Now, with the onion in hand, reflect on the energies you feel have been directed toward you. Who or what has been sending you negativity? Is it envy from colleagues, gossip from acquaintances, or even the evil eye? Hold these thoughts gently in your mind without attaching anger to them. Instead, see them for what they are, energies that need to be returned. Here's where the real magic begins. Slowly and deliberately, cut the onion into 4 equal parts. As you do, imagine the negative energy around you being absorbed into the onion. Each cut represents the division of that energy, making it easier for you to handle. Take your time with this step. There's no need to rush. Now that the onion is divided, you'll want to place 2 of the pieces near something personal. A photo of yourself, a cherished object, something that holds significance for you. These pieces act as a form of energetic protection. By placing them near you, you're creating a shield that strengthens your own energy and protects you from harm. The other 2 pieces will be returned to nature. Find a place outdoors, under a tree, in a garden, anywhere that feels connected to the earth, and bury the pieces there. As you do this, visualize the negative energy being absorbed by the ground, where it will return to its source. Nature has a way of balancing energies, and by offering the onion back to the earth, you're allowing this natural process to unfold. To make this ritual even more effective, we can introduce a practice of visualization. After you've buried the onion pieces, close your eyes and imagine a protective shield of light surrounding you. This light is a barrier, reflecting any negative energy that might still be lingering. By doing this, you reinforce the ritual's power, not only protecting yourself, but also amplifying any positive energy around you. For even better results, perform this ritual during a full moon. The full moon has long been associated with heightened spiritual energy, and it can amplify the effects of this practice, making it even more potent. You might be wondering how to tell if you actually need this ritual. Well, if you've been feeling unusually tired, irritated, or burdened with negative thoughts, these could be signs that you've been absorbing harmful energies. Other signs include body aches, unexplained headaches, and a general sense of unease. These are all indicators that the energy around you isn't right and that it's time to clear it. I want to emphasize that this ritual isn't about harming others. It's about balance. It's about letting the natural flow of energy take its course. If someone has wished you well, you're returning that goodwill with even more strength. If someone has sent negativity your way, you're simply reflecting that back to its origin. But remember, you're not doing this out of spite or revenge. The onion ritual is a neutral act, restoring harmony without causing harm. It's also important to practice gratitude. After the ritual, take a moment to thank nature. Thank the onion for its role in this process, and thank yourself for taking steps to protect your energy. Gratitude is a powerful force that amplifies the good in your life and creates a shield around you that no negativity can penetrate. Have you ever wondered if everyday objects around you could protect you in unexpected ways? If you're curious about more simple yet powerful rituals, click on our next video where we'll explore how common items like salt and candles can protect your energy field. You won't want to miss it.